Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for coming back. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Because after pressing the bell icon, you will receive the latest notification of my videos. And after receiving the latest notification of my videos, the creed of year of gaining your knowledge about technology is fulfilled by my videos. So without wasting our time, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon because this channel is all about technology. If you want to gain your knowledge about technology, if you have any creed to learn knowledge about technology, then this channel is absolutely for you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon because after pressing the bell icon you will receive the latest notification of my videos, and after receiving the latest notification of my videos, the creed of year of gaining a knowledge about technology is fulfilled by my videos. So as you have seen the title and thumbnail, that in today's video I am telling you that what is C++ language. So basically C++ is a programming language. C++ and sometimes abbreviated as CPP is a high-level general purpose programming language created by Danish computer scientist Bergenes Stopper. And let's read about C++. So, first released in 1985 as an extension of C programming languages, it has since expanded significantly over the time. Modern C++ currently has object-oriented, energetic, and functional features in addition to facilitate for low-level memory manipulation. It is almost always implemented as a compiled language, and many vendors provide C++ compilers, including the Free Software Foundation (LLVM), Microsoft, Intel, Embarcadero, Oracle, and IBM. C++ was designed with system programming and embedded resource-controlled software and large system in mind, with performance, efficiency, and flexibility of use as it is designed highlights. C++ has also been found useful in many other contexts, with key strength being software infrastructure and resource constrained applications, including desktop application, video games, services, e-commerce, web search or database, and performance critical applications, telephone, switches, and spacephone. C++ is standardized by International Organization of Standard ISO, with the latest standard version rated uh, uh, retired and published by ISO is in December 2022 as ISO IEC 14882 2020, informationally known as C++20. The C++ programming language was initially standardized in 1989 as ISO IEC 148882 1998, which was embedded by the C++0, C++11, C++14, and C++17 standards. Before the initialized standardization in in 1998, C++ was developed by Storm Bell Labs was since 1997 as an extension of C language. He wanted to he wanted an efficient and flexible language similar to C that also provide high language features for programming organization. So in this video I have tell you about C++. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Meet you guys soon. Take care. Goodbye.